Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can enable dynamic checkout button on product page on Shopify. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. The first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. I'm going to do that right now. And after that, you want to click on online store here in the left. Now after that, you want to click on customize. It's going to take you guys to your theme editor. Just click on press on home page in the top here, and then click on products, and then click on default product. Okay, so after guys you click on default product, you want to click on buy buttons here, as you can see. Now you just need to enable this where it says show dynamic checkout buttons. You want to enable it, and then click on save. Okay, so after guys you click on save, next step you want to just go back to your Shopify dashboard, and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on payments. Okay, so after guys you click on payments, you want to click on manage. Of course, assuming you already enabled Shopify payments, you want to click on manage, and you want to scroll down. You want to click here on manage payment method here in the top right, and then you want to enable Shop Pay, and you want to enable Apple Pay here. Make sure you enable it here, like enable Apple Pay. Just toggle this on, check this, and then after you are done, you want to click on save. Now you can also click on, like, you can just check here to just enable Apple Pay. If you click here on manage payments, if you click on view payment rates, you will be able to see the online standard payment rates here, as you can see, 2.9% plus 13 cents. Okay, so that's exactly how we can do this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, and see you guys next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and drop a like, as would be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.